Brooklyn isn't simply a borough, it's an attitude, a rhythm, a state of mind. And right in the heart of Williamsburg, one of New York City's trendiest neighborhoods, stands the Hoxton, a hotel that captures the area's raw charm, effortless cool, and cultural pulse. Thoughtfully designed for travelers who seek authenticity without compromising on comfort, the Hoxton offers more than just a place to sleep. Whether you're in town for business, a romantic getaway, or a solo city escape, this hotel delivers a true taste of Williamsburg, one you'll find yourself wanting to return to. The Hoxton's location, it's one of its biggest assets. Sitting on 5th Avenue, it's surrounded by a vibrant mix of coffee shops, stylish boutiques, bustling bars, and some of the best restaurants in New York. Just a short walk from the hotel, you'll find local favorites like Domino Park, the famous Smorgasburg Food Market, Brooklyn Brewery, and the iconic Music Hall of Williamsburg, all adding to the neighborhood's electric atmosphere. To check availability and the latest accommodation rates, refer to the link in the video description. The hotel seamlessly blends comfort, convenience, and thoughtful details, ensuring your stay feels effortless from start to finish. All rooms are air-conditioned and feature private bedrooms, many offering stunning city views through floor-to-ceiling windows. Inside, you'll find everything you need to unwind or stay productive, from a tea and coffee maker and a comfortable work desk to fast, free Wi-Fi that keeps you connected. The 24-hour front desk and concierge service are always available to help with anything you might need. The Hoxton is also pet-friendly, so your furry companion is more than welcome. Whether you're hosting a brainstorm session, a casual meetup, or a special celebration, the hotel has flexible, well-designed spaces that make getting together feel easy, and a little bit cooler too, while non-smoking rooms ensure a fresh and comfortable stay for all guests. And of course, the great breakfast is not to be missed, the perfect way to fuel your day before exploring Brooklyn or heading over the river into Manhattan. The Hoxton brings the vibrant flavors of Williamsburg right to your doorstep with several unique dining options designed to satisfy every craving. Start your day at K-Far, the hotel's all-day Israeli cafe located in the lobby, where you can enjoy fresh pastries, rich coffee, and authentic dishes. For an unforgettable evening, head up to Laser Wolf, the rooftop skewer house serving award-winning Israeli cuisine cooked over live coals, paired perfectly with creative cocktails and stunning views of the Manhattan skyline. If you're looking for a relaxed spot to unwind, Jaffa Cocktail and Raw Bar offers a breezy indoor-outdoor atmosphere with coastal-inspired small plates and refreshing drinks, ideal for catching up with friends or enjoying a quiet moment. No matter the time of day or your mood, the Hoxton's dining venues offer a flavorful, authentic experience that reflects the creative spirit of Williamsburg, all without stepping outside the hotel. You can find all additional information in the link in the description. The Hoxton Williamsburg perfectly captures the dynamic spirit of one of Brooklyn's most vibrant neighborhoods, with its stylish, comfortable rooms, thoughtful amenities, and a fantastic selection of on-site dining options from the cozy lobby cafe to the lively rooftop skewer house. This hotel offers a genuine slice of Williamsburg charm without even having to leave. Whether you're here for work, leisure, or a bit of both, the Hoxton is more than just a place to stay. It's a gateway to experiencing Brooklyn's creativity, culture, and irresistible energy.